Ever wondered what the most used programming languages in the world are? Well, you're not alone. In this digital age, programming languages are not just for tech wizards. They're the backbone of everything, from the apps on your phone to the websites you browse, even the car you drive. They shape our world in ways we often don't even realize. Let's get under the hood and explore some of these programming giants. We're going to delve into 7 of the most popular programming languages: C, Java, C++, C#, Python, PHP, and Ruby. Each of these languages has its own strengths, its own quirks, and its own dedicated community of programmers who swear by it. They're the tools that help us solve problems, create innovative solutions, and make our lives easier in countless ways. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of programming languages? Stay tuned! Starting off with 2 titans of programming, C and Java. C is a procedural language, known for its efficiency and control. Its ability to interact directly with hardware makes it a go-to for system programming and embedded systems. On the other hand, Java, an object-oriented language, shines in its write-once-run-anywhere principle. It's the backbone of many enterprise-level applications and Android app development. But these giants aren't without their Achilles heels. C's low-level nature can make it less intuitive and more prone to errors. Meanwhile, Java's memory consumption and slower execution speed can be a stumbling block. Yet their strengths far outweigh these weaknesses. Their longevity and popularity are a testament to their might. They have weathered decades of technological evolution, adapting and growing along the way. These languages have not only shaped the programming landscape, but also continue to influence the design of new languages. Despite their age, C and Java continue to hold their own in the fast-paced world of technology. Now let's explore the charm of C++, C#, Python, PHP, and Ruby. C++, an extension of the C language, is known for its efficiency and control. It's widely used in game development and system software. C#, pronounced as C#, is a Microsoft brainchild. Its simplicity and robustness make it ideal for Windows applications and game development using Unity. Now, if we talk about Python, it shines for its readability and simplicity. It's a go-to language for beginners and is heavily used in data analysis, machine learning, and web development. PHP, on the other hand, is a server-side scripting language. It's widely used for web development due to its ability to be embedded within HTML code. Lastly, Ruby, with its elegant and easy-to-read syntax, is a favorite for web application development. It's the language behind the powerful Ruby on Rails framework. As we can see, each programming language has its unique charm and usage, making them all essential tools in the world of technology.